Hi Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 26th of May. Virgo, your channel message is the Temperance, the Eight of Wands, and Mercury. So I'm getting you want to have a conversation with somebody. I'm getting you want someone's forgiveness, Virgo. Mercury rules Gemini and Virgo. The Eight of Wands is communication, and the Temperance card is the angel. Or I'm getting you want to reconnect with a Sagittarius, okay? Let's go ahead and see what's in your reading. Virgo. I'm hearing that you want somebody to talk to your son. I'm not sure if your son and this person was already talking, or am I getting you notice that when your son was talking to this girl or man, your son was the most happiest. And now that faded, your son depressed, your son drawn. I'm getting your son is not the same. Maybe you're asking somebody, hey, can you consider in reopening a conversation again? But I'm getting you want to talk to somebody, Virgo. Or someone wants to talk to you. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Virgo. First card. Ooh. My apologies, wait. Let's go, Virgo. First card out is a Tower card. Yeah. Okay, the Tower card is Scorpio energy. It's usually an uproar, destruction, or I'm getting something about a building. A building is going to be set on fire. I'm getting a lot of fighting. I'm not sure if this is Parliament. I'm getting this building, like, I'm getting chaos is happening in the building, Virgo. We have the devil, yeah. Is the building on fire? I'm getting either bombing, the building is on fire. Something happening with this building, Virgo. I'm getting all hella break loose. I don't know how tall the building is, but I'm getting people jumping out of the building like 9/11. We have Capricorn here, and we have Scorpio here, the Tower, and yeah. I'm getting something going to strike a building. Or I'm getting Judgment, the Devil card, and the Tower. We have the Knight of Cups, alright? We have I'm getting a lot of fighting in the building. Everybody a fight. Literally, look. I don't know if it's a brawl or the whole building is gang. I don't know if somebody went into the building with a bomb and then set it off. Cause I'm getting somebody going in the building, go drop off something, and when them leave in the building, I'm getting a lot of fighting, literally. I'm getting everybody a fight in the building. Or I'm getting this Knight of Cups is saying is this big organization. I'm getting something about a communication tower. Like a Bell Tower or a Rogers Tower. I'm getting something about a big tower. One more. We have the Five of Pentacles. We have 55. So I'm getting a lot of people going to be left without a job. I'm not sure if this is a building where the top floor, you live there. The middle floor is an office. And the basement is like a shopping center or a parking lot. I'm getting 55. So I'm getting all of these people in the building who are fighting in the building. The one of them are going to be outside. I'm not sure if this is a brawl in this. I'm getting fire. I'm getting the devil. I'm also getting something about this workplace on a spray. I'm getting the managers and the CEO don't work on the same floor all that you work on. I'm getting something being sprayed in the building. I don't know if people get irritated, they might get angry. I'm getting the whole of the people in a fight, and then you're gonna push the people them out. Or the fight, knock over something and the whole building catch a fight. I'm getting the devil. The devil is here. I'm getting the devil, I come for take a lot of people. I don't know what this is. We're getting the building will crumble, or the building going to catch fire, and it's going to leave a lot of people outside without job, without work, right? We're getting somebody coming in, doing something like set something. Man, is this a gas station? Like people can't afford gas. Me getting some about oil and fighting over oil. Let's clarify. Because the channel message was a Temperance, which is the opposite of Capricorn, the 8 of Wands and Mercury. Me getting you realize who did something to you, you realize who broke off. Me getting this entity, this workplace is the one that divided this, your sun or them divide this Sagittarius from this Virgo. And me getting you go back to the workplace, go do something, say something, expose something, and the whole workplace burn to the ground. Me getting everybody in their fight. No, this could be something about a theater, a movie theater. Me getting the movie theater. Something about what people seeing on the screen them don't like. I'm getting a brawl. Me getting like a movie theater being set on fire. The Tower card is clarified by the Knight of Swords. Yeah. Or me getting somebody coming at me. Don't know if this is a shooting. But me getting everybody a fight. And me getting everybody go outside and everybody will just watch everything crumble. Me getting this. Me getting a tower. Me getting a communication service tower. The Devil card is clarified by the, again, the 5 of Wands, again. Look, the 5, fighting. Them a fight. We have the 5 of Wands 2 times. Them a fight. Beer fighting in the building. Me getting something about a Capricorn. Or me getting the devil is present in this place. I don't know if I want church. Me getting the devil is here. The devil is here, it's present, and it'll cause mass destruction. Me getting everybody a fight. We have 55, the 2 cards, the 5 of Wands, 5 of Wands. That's fighting. It could be something about a lot of black people fighting with each other. The Knight of Cups is clarifying the Ace of Swords, and me getting is this white person instigate everything. Me getting this white person going on one building or do something, and by the time them step out, all of the black people them a fight with each other. No, me don't know if this is a thing where we have the Wheel of Fortune here. Maybe this white man was supposed to be with a black girl and the black people them fuck it up. So me getting him fuck up everything for the black people them and just walk out of the building. And me getting all of these black people are gonna be left without house. Them are gonna be left without a job. Me don't know what is. Me getting a white person, because the cups, Knight of Cups is a white person, the Knight of Swords white too. Me getting this white man pull up, go into the building, go do something and exit it. And all of the black people are at war with each other. Perhaps a Sabotage or a dark-skinned queen for the white man. Me getting him fuck up the whole of. Talk about slavery. This is serving. Getting somebody's like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna be with her. Okay, fuck all I know. Come and getting your finance, say beer black people are sabotage your shit. 5 of Wands is clarified by the Knight. Yeah. Come and getting after everybody don't fight and the building crumble, everybody look at each other. Like, whose fault is it? Maybe we shouldn't have done. Me don't know if all of these black people did scam this white man. Yeah, cause me getting this woman. There's a woman here, maybe the woman black. I want celebrity. Me getting this white guy was supposed to be there with her, or she and the white guy supposed to be there together. Me getting black people give him hell. The whole on give him hell. Either wanna bully him or wanna say she a fuck other black men. Me getting him probably find out the truth, and me getting all of y'all is left without a job. Apparently him was very, very wealthy. 5 of Pentacles is clarified by the 2 of, yeah. Cause me getting nobody no know. Yeah, the 5, you don't know who caused it. Me getting before, you know it, you know outside, the building burn, and you don't have a workplace forgot. That's like Elon Musk wanted to be with Gail, and all of the black people them fuck it up. Elon Musk just sabotage him fucking Teslas and make it crash. Elon with porn. What kind of porn is that? Them need to upload that video on Pornhub and revenue. Elon, we're going through the tunnel. Elon is too fast. Elon, porn. Me I get honey. I watch Gail and Elon. I feel like Gail and Elon would make a really good couple. I won't lie. Porn. Pornhub. RedTube. Porn. Chatbait. Anyway, and since we're on the topic of porn, I want all the men to know that I appreciate your solo content. Popular to the contrary, people think that I have a sex addiction or I have a porn addiction. Listen to me, when I watch porn, I watch males solo. So I want to appreciate the males for masturbating on camera. It really helped me while I'm single. So thank you for your dick's service. Okay. We appreciate you solo porn males. Coming on once, no man of a girl. Anyways, let's continue the reading. Elon, we're going to Elon. We're going porn. Gail, what kind of Gail is supposed to be setting an example? Why are you in porn? Elon, aren't you like CEO of Tesla? Why are you doing porn? Anyways, let's continue the reading. One more. We have a justice card. Yeah, I'm getting a relationship. The Libra is a relationship. And remember, I'm getting the guy have to cup everybody. I'm getting nobody now on a job. The workplace gone. I don't want to do, but I'm getting a beer. Black people a fight each other. Maybe this is something about a show. Or something about... No, I don't know if it's something about streaming. Because I get to when I orchestrate the black people and for fight. I get to when all of the black people and argue with each other. All of them. Aidan Ross is not in the mix. You should know that. Even though he came for Doche, but I came for him already. So let us call it even. Me getting up the black people them a war. Them a fight. But me getting a white guy instigate it. Or something about this white guy. They never want him for there with this girl. Maybe she was a black celebrity. And everybody was like, no, she need a real black king. Me getting, in fact, maybe black people were working for him. That's how him find the girl in the first place. Me getting on the sabotage him shit and him fuck up the whole now. Why? Leave people business alone. Leave people business alone. Let's go. We have illness. Cause me getting after the whole of the black people them fight each other and out of work, me getting them can't get rehired. I don't know if you were part of a union. But me getting when I met the black people them a fight. We have secret society. Yeah. We have Illuminati. Me getting the whole of the black. Me don't know who this man is. He was supposed to be with this woman. I wanna me getting a beer black people sabotage it. So him sabotage the whole out now. We have the number 3. Maybe the black people them say, oh yeah, the black girl should having sex with you. She also fucking this black man. I'm getting somebody find out a lie. One more. Ophiuchus. We have secret society and Illuminati. So I'm getting that's the agenda. For make black people fight. Make them war with each other. And if all of these black people can compete and fight with each other, there's going to be a new opening either for new black people or white people that will take it on. Because the narrative is going to be, it doesn't matter how many money we give to, because they keep fighting and they keep being violent. I'm going to leave it here, Virgo, until next time. Bye.